class 10 real number. Show that root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. The question is that show that root 2 is an irrational number. So for it, we will show that root 2 is an irrational number. In mathematics, there is many ways to solve a problem. So we will solve it by contradiction method. In contradiction method, we assume a phenomena and act through this phenomena and find that which we assume that is wrong. So this phenomenon is called contradiction theorem, contradiction method. So for it, let root 2 is a rational number. Is a rational number. We assume that root 2 is a rational number, but we have to show that root 2 is an irrational number. So we will prove that root 2, whichever we assume, so by contradiction theorem, contradiction process method, this is not a rational number, so it will be irrational number. Okay, so we solve it. Let root 2 is a rational number. When root 2 is a rational number, so it can be represented in the form of p upon q. So let root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a, b are co-prime. A, B are co-prime. Co-prime numbers means A and B has only one as a common factor. So it is co-prime number. So we squaring on both sides. On both sides. So root 2 square is equal to a upon b square. Means this is 2 is equal to a square upon b square. We can write it as b square is equal to a square upon 2. So we can see that when a and b are co-prime numbers, means integers, so a square by 2 is equal to b square. So we know that there is a theorem, if any number divides a square of a number, then it will divide the same number. Means if 2 divides a square, so this implies that 2 will divide a. So by this, a is divided by 2. We can write a is equal to 2c and put a is equal to 2c, and this is the second equation, this is the first equation. In second a is equal to 2c we put, so b square is equal to 2c square by 2. This is b square is equal to 4c square by 2. 2 to cancel. This is b square is equal to twice c square means this implies that c square is equal to b square by 2. Again, by this method, if 2 divides b square, so this implies that 2 will divide b. It means we can write b is equal to twice d. So 2 is divisor of a and 2 is divisor of b. From this a is equal to 2c, and from this b is equal to 2d. Equation first root 2 is equal to a upon b. Root 2 is equal to a upon b. So we put value of a is equal to 2c and b is equal to 2d. So root 2 is equal to twice c upon twice d. We can see that 2 is a common factor of a and b. 2 is the common factor of a and b, and we assume that root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a, b are co-prime numbers, means a, b has only one as a common factor. Here we find that a and b also have 2 as a common factor. It means our assumption, which we assume that a, b are co-prime, that is wrong. So it means that root 2 is equal to a upon b, which we assume that root 2 is a rational number. This assumption becomes wrong. So by contradiction theorem, root 2 is an irrational number. So this shows that a and b have common factor that is 2. Common factor 2. So by our assumption, root 2 is not a rational number. We assume that root 2 is a rational number. So by our assumption, which is wrong, which becomes wrong, so this implies that root 2 is not a rational number. Root 2 is not a rational number. Means the number which is not rational, that number is irrational number. So root 2 is an irrational number. So this is the proving, and this proving is called contradiction theorem, contradiction method.